a different angle just to show what's happening to the hands. I'm going to go from here. Guys, lift up the left hand. They go 1, 2, 3, you switch. Now, as you walk 5, 6, 7 forward, you're going to bring this one over and then just bring that one over the lady's head. Let's do that one more time in this direction so you can see what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. It's not really too hard, it just looks like that. So we go 1, 2, 3, in we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let the lady go. 1, 2, stop her elbow, bring her back on 5, 6, 7. Walk with her. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. That was her relation. Over the hand. 1, 2, 3. Prepare on 5, turn on 6 and 7, guys. Ask for both hands, crossbody lead with a full turn for the lady in 5 and 6 and 7. Now give her a chance for styling. 1, 2, 3, 5. She drops on 6 and 7. And crossbody lead to finish it off. Very good. See you on the next one, guys.